Assalamu alaikum and welcome. Oil and gas industry is divided into three sectors: upstream, midstream and downstream. This classification is based on supply chain of oil and gas industry. These terms were used after World War II in 1945, when the sector was expanding on large scale. Big companies developed their model according to these terms: upstream, downstream and midstream. So let us discuss one by one. First one is upstream. Upstream is also known as exploration and production EP sector. It helps to find hydrocarbon from underground and get them on surface. There are 4 steps involved in upstream sector: finding hydrocarbon, drilling well, producing oil and gas, and fourth is surface processing. These 4 procedure steps involve many activities like geological survey, seismic survey, exploration drill, production oil and gas, and treating or processing the fluid on surface, develop facility and perform testing of the fluid. So there are many facilities involved in this upstream sector, starting from wellhead, Christmas tree, then we have choke well, then kind of jewelry. Jewelry means instrumentation for controlling and safeguarding the downstream system like flow line, manifold and other things. And also we have to control the flow to maintain the life of well through this choke well. So these facilities are CP and EP, like early production facility and central processing facility and gas and oil separation facility. These we have to install on upstream because the fluid coming from well is having different phases, like it has some salt and water, metal, mud and other kind of impurities that are not good for the health of downstream system, or some acid gases are there. So we have to segregate first in phases like gas and oil and water. Oil we have to treat it. If it's kind of sour crude oil we have to introduce in our system, it will affect the system and environmentally also not good. So we have to treat it on upstream facility. Then we have to introduce in the crude oil network. Similar way gas system is also there. Gas sometime we consider this in upstream, sometime in midstream. So if gas is sour, having H2S or CO2, it will cause corrosion in the system, and it is not environmental friendly for the end user or the system. So we have to remove H2S, and dehydration also we have to remove, otherwise it will cause hydrate formation, or water vapor will cause the corrosion problem in downstream system. Third one is water. Like water is not useful. We cannot carry it from one place to another place because it is not useful. We have to use it for our production, utility water in same facility, or we have to sometime dispose it in the well, or we have to re-inject water to increase the inside surface flow so that the production of oil and gas increase. That is unconventional method of increasing the production. So these facilities are considered in upstream. Now second is midstream. When we separated or treated the fluid from upstream, now we have to transfer this fluid from one place to another place through this medium, like pipeline transportation, okay, in which we have to install stage wise compression stations. If it is crude, then we have to install the crude oil pumping system, or we can move it from one place to another, like shipping, or by rail, or by road bowser. Means any medium that is used to transport from stabilized crude from one place to another place is included in this midstream system. Gas is also there in this system, that also we have to treat the gas, then we have to introduce in the downstream system for safety purpose. Then it starts the downstream. Downstream system is actually used to convert a raw fluid that we are getting from upstream and midstream, that we have to convert in useful product. Okay, like refinery is downstream system. Here we have to convert crude oil into petrol, diesel, jet fuel, and kerosene, bitumen, and other useful product through refinery process. Different process like VDU, vacuum distillation. First is CDU, crude distillation, that is atmospheric distillation. Then VDU, hydrocracking and reforming, and other isomerization and other processes are also used to the fine tune the end product. Okay, similarly we have the petrochemical industry, like we have to make plastic or chemical or fertilizer, and many other product for the petrochemical, that we have to convert from gas to these useful products. And third one is distribution system. Distribution system is the network that is carrying the gas to provide domestic purpose application, or in industry it is being supplied for their application. So the specification of these crude or sales gas should be according to standard for preventing our system, and for any hazard prevention or environmental hazard, as we have to maintain the specification according to a standard that is allowed for crude oil transportation or gas transportation. This is very important knowledge for those people who are working in oil and gas sector. It's very essential to distinguish between upstream, midstream, and downstream. So I try to convey the information as much as I know. Hope you would it would be useful for you. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and share to support the channel.